Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Do you know what are we making today?
Cupcakes. Cupcakes Halloween, and we can put this orange on the top.
We're making spooky
And
cupcakes.
it's like the people comes in inside.
Show me.
See it.
Spooky. That's the flower.
I love this flower so nice. Did you can I try banana one?
Too much? This mixed spice.
We need water.
20 minutes later.
Are you ready, Misha?
I just forgot.
Your lipstick.
Time for lipstick.
Time for lipstick.
Well, fun with seeing. Look at his eyes.
Where is his eyes?
No way! Baby, sit it here. That's so funny. Ew.
Pumpkin, then
I'll do carrot.
carrot, please.
No, I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
Let's do it together, Jason.
Brown sugar.
Sugar then powder with flour. 11 will go in. No? This is so nice. This can show.
That's sour cream.
I like sour cream is really sticky. Come on. Yes.
Do you like sour cream, JP?
I want.
Okay. 2 eggs, please. JP, do you want more sour cream?
Yeah. Oh, it looks like a witch.
With your wand.
You can't see the
Frog. Rabbit. Rabbit. Misha head become a pumpkin. JP head become a ghost.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it. Yuck. Yuck. Yummy, mommy.
Misha.
Yummy.
Salt, please. Little bit Misha and little bit JP, please.
I'll go first.
It's okay.
I go, Jane. Send it.
Okay. Misha's making some magic spells on our cupcakes. Oh. Misha is a witch.
Mommy, watch this. I'm gonna put it here like that.
Show me.
It's
Now we need to insert a lid, please. Other way around, please. Press next, please. And turn around. All the way.
That's finished.
Check. chopped nuts, please. Bravo.
Oh, look at little mascot. Spooky.
How many cupcakes we're gonna have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can't wait to decorate them because it's my face. I like cats with these tomorrow. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Let's make some icing sugar first, okay?
Yeah, nice. Let's check out first. Wow, magic!
Woo, spooky.
Woo. And
can
the
try
sound from Misa. Delicious, delicious.
Look delicious.
7. Wow.
Misha and JP, do you like these scary, spicy cupcakes?
And let's go to one more spider left.
What?
Yeah.